The fungi sees where something's missing and passes it on to there, from healthy trees to trees that are in distress. But if we look at us, you have people that are so loaded with money that they won't be able to spend even a quarter of what they have before they die. On the other hand, you have people starving to death. Why is there no mechanism that takes care of this? There is a mechanism that arranges the right relations between them, but in a way that we don't understand. What's the algorithm that activates this mechanism? That all of us are equal, that all of us are interconnected, that everyone does everything to the benefit of others, only that we, in our eyes, see it differently.